Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. So today's video is going to be a Chikankari Kurtas and Sarees video. So a lot of you guys seem to enjoy these Chikankari videos. I posted two in the past. So I thought since you guys are enjoying it, and I absolutely love Chikankaris, and they're like classics, you can wear them always. So I thought I'll show you guys some others. So all of these are from an Instagram page and I will link them in the description box. And they have beautiful kurtas and sarees, not just chikankari, they have other lehengas and other outfits and sarees too. So I'll link their Instagram page in the description. It's called Radna by Divya Sikwal. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'll put the name right here as well. So you can check out that page and see if you want to order anything from this, or basically they have a lot of others as well in their collection, so do check it out. And they have really good sizes as well, so you'll find up to 46 and probably above also. Yeah, you'll have to check with them, but I have here 44 and 46 because that's pretty much the sizes that I wear. But they do have like a wide size selection from small to like double XL, triple XL. So let's get started. I have some beautiful colors here. You can see there's like beautiful green and also the kurta that I'm wearing, which is red. So yeah, let's begin. So I zoomed out a little bit so that I can show you guys the dresses clearly. So this is a very beautiful kurta. I absolutely love the color. Sort of like a lemon green kind of a color, and it has this gota work. And the best part about this Instagram store is that they're very affordably priced. I have picked up some things from them, from their page even in the past. Like I got some Chikankari kurtas and I also got some other things. So everything on their page is very affordable. So all of the kurtas are also very affordable. And yeah, this is a peplum top. So this is a short kurta or a peplum top. It has a lot of flare. Because it has a lot of flare, I don't think sizes are also an issue. So the beautiful gota work here, just look at it. It has such a pretty work here. It has all this chikankari detailing and also the gota work. The hands are like this. It has a little flare, so pretty, right? And at the ends also it has this detailing. It's very beautiful. Even at the back it has that chikankari and gota detailing. Throughout the kurta also there are these motifs, and on the front the work is actually quite heavy. This would be really beautiful for like a festival, or even if you are heading for a mehendi or a sangeet party. This would look so beautiful. Like you can pair it with the same colored palazzos or a skirt, and I think it will look absolutely stunning. Don't mind the change. I am using a light which for some reason has changed to pink. So yeah, you can wear it with like the same colored palazzo or a lehenga, or you can even wear it with white or off-white. I have like an off-white palazzo in Georgette fabric. I think it would look really beautiful with this. I think it will look really beautiful with white as well. You can style it with some silver jewelry, jhumkas, and a little bit of boho jewelry, or like, you know, some silver and pearl jewelry, and I think it will look stunning. I spoke way too much about this kurta, but only because it's so pretty. I'm sure you all will agree. So yeah, that's the first kurta, and they do have like a bunch of colors and designs. So next we have this red kurta. I will show you guys the full kurta. This is a modal fabric, so it is super soft. It is very comfortable to wear, and it has like these 3/4 sleeves, and you can see the chikankari work even on the hands at the end also. So throughout the kurta there's chikankari work, but on the top it's a little bit more heavy, and as you go down also there is some flower detailing. And this is a set. So this is the pant. It comes with elastic, and again the fabric is very soft, and this is what the bottom looks like. It has work all over to match the kurta. So this is a set, and you know, basically this is the size of the waist. So it is very stretchable, and it will go further also. It has like really good elastic. So this is a very soft fabric, so it can be used for like everyday use as well, for office or college. And you can even wear it for like small festivals because it is red. I think it will look so pretty. Like you can wear it with like jhumkas like this, or even style it with a little bit of accessories and neck piece and heavier jhumkas also. I think you can totally wear it for smaller occasions, or when you're heading out, or or even when you're traveling, I think in travel pictures it will look so beautiful because it's such a bright, beautiful color. Very beautiful red, absolutely stunning. This set is priced only at $11.99. It is such a good price, right? So everything on this page is affordable. That is one of the reasons that I really like their collection and their page, because of the pricing as well. I am pretty sure that these are priced a little bit higher on a lot of other pages, especially because it's a set. I think that's an amazing price, so definitely grab this. I've also seen some floral Chikankari Kurtas on their page and some pastels as well. The florals similar to what I got in Nampally exhibition, if you guys have seen my videos or posts. So they do have other Chikankari Kurtas as well. I have some more Chikankari Kurtas to show you guys. This is one of those classic pieces. This is a black Chikankari kurta with beautiful kalis. So it has a lot of kalis, you guys. So you can twirl in this. It has a beautiful flare. So throughout it has that gota work. This is the top, and it has 3/4 sleeves and a little bit of gota work throughout. So on the back and front as well, it has that beautiful gota work throughout, and it has this really beautiful flare. Absolutely stunning, right? It comes with like a plain inner which you can wear with the black kurta. So this stunning piece is priced at $19.99. So it's a very beautiful party wear kurta. So you can wear this for like again like sangeets and mehendis also. It will look really nice. You can pair it up with like a chikankari white or a black dupatta or a plain chiffon Georgette dupatta also. It will look really nice. A very beautiful kurta, definitely a must have in your wardrobe. If you don't have one, definitely grab one. And there is one in white as well. Now there is a white one. This doesn't have gota work. It's a plain anarkali kurta. So this one has 56 kalis, and this is priced at I think $14.99 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is priced at $14.99 because this one doesn't have the gota work, but it has 56 kalis, you guys. Oh my god, just look at this. Again, very stunning, very beautiful. At the end, so I'm shooting this a little late, so basically the dogs are like playing, barking, I mean on my street. So yeah, this is the one with 56 kalis. So it has like a beautiful flare, and at the bottom you can see this really beautiful design, and throughout also it has these flowers. This is what the hands look like. Again, full work. You will see that chikankari work all throughout, and it is the same at the back also. You will see the work even at the back from the top, and this is the work at the kalis. I'm sure it'll give you a better idea if I just put it on while I'm standing and show it to you guys. Even this comes with a white inner. Yeah, they have sizes I think up to 46, or maybe they even have 48. I'm not really sure. Do ping them. Do reach out to them in case you would like to purchase these or basically want to find out more details. Do ping them on Instagram. I'll leave their handle in the description box. I'll leave the link. Lastly, we have another favorite. Oh my god, just look at the color, you guys. So this is the beautiful saree. Just look at this. The color itself is so stunning, and this is what the pallu looks like. It has gota work throughout. It's a very beautiful lemon yellow. I think it will look so pretty when worn. Just imagine like this. It has gota work all throughout. So it has these flowers throughout with gota work. So in the pallu the work is heavier. So this is what the pallu looks like. On the pallu the work is definitely heavier, but there is work all throughout the saree. So this is what it is. This is what the saree, entire saree looks like, and this is the bottom part of it. So you can see this at the bottom when you drape it. So I think this is the blouse. This probably is the back side, and then you will see this for the hands. So these are the hands. So her hands also, there's this really beautiful work and a gota detailing. Entire sari actually has work, and even at the bottom you will see like one line. And the pallu of course looks stunning. A very beautiful color. I think I've seen like usual blacks, whites, but I don't think I've seen a lemon yellow. I think I have a pink one from their page itself that doesn't have gota work. It is so beautiful, but and this one actually is very stunning with the gota work, and this lemon yellow looks so beautiful. And this sari is priced only at $11.99. Again, such a good price, you guys. I think you should definitely grab it. Such a beautiful sari. So that was it for today's haul, you guys. That was everything that I wanted to show you guys. They have some beautiful collection in Chikankaris. Do check them out. And they also have really beautiful kota lehengas and some other lehengas and even saris. And I think they have unstitched suit sets as well. So I'll be showing you guys some others in the upcoming video. I didn't want to like mix too many things in this. I thought you guys will enjoy Chikankari, so I'm showing them in this video. But I have a video coming up. I will show you guys some other collection that they carry. They have some really beautiful kota lehengas, and they have some beautiful Banarasi saris as well. Very affordable again. And I really liked one sari, a purple color sari, and I picked it up. So stay tuned to see those as well. They have some really beautiful collection. I'll leave their Instagram handle right here. It's called Radna by Divya Sikwal, and their link also will be in the description box, so you can directly message them to place your orders. Their details will be in the description box, so you can order in case you're interested. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments below if you like to see more such videos, and also if you have any other video requests or ideas, do tell me in the comments below so that I get to know what you guys would like to watch. And do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle here. I do some styling videos and mini hauls there as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.